Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display custom footer on post category in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in category uncategorized. Now you see, and then scroll down, you see footer. So this is our default footer. So we are going to display custom footer on this category. Now go to Elementor footer we created. So you can create footer according to your requirement, and then you see update. So click on it, and then you see where do you want to display your template. You see button add condition. So click on it, and then you see include entire site. Now select, and then you see archive singular. Now select archive, and then you see all archive. Again select, and then you see multiple option, and then you see post archive. Now select categories. If you want, you can display this custom footer on all categories. Now select and write category name. Now you see, and then select it, and then click on save and close, and then you see update done. Go to category page and refresh the page. So this is our post category, and then you see custom footer apply on post category in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.